The Battleship USS North Carolina. The USS North Carolina. Her keel was laid in October of 1937 at the New York Navy Yard. She was the first of 10 fast battleships to join the American fleet in World War II. Commissioned April 9, 1941, she was the most powerful sea weapon in history. She is armed with 9 16-inch 45 caliber guns and 3 turrets, and 20 5-inch 38 caliber guns in twin mounts. Her crew consists of 144 officers and 2,195 enlisted men. Our battleship carried out 9 shore bombardments, sank an enemy troop ship, destroyed 24 enemy aircraft. She had several near misses and was once hit by a Japanese torpedo on 9/15/1942. She was decommissioned in June of 1947 and saved from the scrapyards with a statewide citizen campaign to save her in 1958. After a successful campaign, she arrived at her current berth in Wilmington, North Carolina on October 2, 1961. I was one of the many school kids who collected dimes to save this mighty ship. I remember her coming down the Cape Fear River with my dad, Billy Futch Jr., on board her deck, bringing this North Carolina treasure home.